dark pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like Bad Boy Street.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Only you.
Someone to care for. Maybe all you need a shoulder to cry on. If it's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Only you.
Time to have you lurking. You make a white man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patient. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had. Something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and hell and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Nah, 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 nah. When you walk out, nah, traten.
This is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love how my hair came out. Let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see this good old partner, good old barber hair. Hello. Even on this side, hello. For some reason, I thought this was gonna be a longer unit, but it's a bob. And I was like, oh, okay, well, I'm not necessarily mad at it, but I was just like, oh, it's a bob. I thought it was longer hair. Y'all know how I feel about my long hair. Like, I am like 24 inches and longer. Period. But today we have a shorter unit. I want to say this is about a 12-inch unit, but the overall hair itself is very beautiful. It's still semi-wet right now. It's not completely dry. The ends are semi-dry, but yeah. And then the other thing that I really liked about this unit was the lace. The lace melted so good on this unit, you guys, even before I put baby hair in it. So I zoomed you guys in so you guys can get like a better look of my hair or whatever, but I just wanted to show you, like, right here, you see how this part is like not too shiny. This part up here will be because I have that gel on it. So yeah, as you guys can see right here, it looks super natural. It's not like all shiny looking like how this is. So I love that about my install today. I just kept it real natural around the sides. Here's the middle part. I didn't necessarily need to do these baby hairs, but I just did it just cause. And then the same on this side. I made sure to just leave this part regular and looking like that so it can look more natural, you know what I mean? And then, like I said, when I turn my head, it shouldn't be super shiny right here. But on the baby hair parts, it will be because of the gel. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love my hair though. I love the way that this curl pattern dries, and it's so funny because of how worried I was when I first took this hair out of the package. I was just like, oh Lord, is this gonna be great or no? Because I don't know. But I think they did a really good job with this wig. I love the construction of Westkiss wigs because they always have that 13x4 frontal, like the true 13x4. You guys seen in the intro, I showed you guys the construction of the wig and it had a full 13x4 frontal. So I love that about this unit. It's not cheating you out of the lace. You can part your hair anywhere and still get a really good look. If you didn't want to wear it in the middle, you can wear it slicked back. You can wear it flipped over. I don't know if it's water wave because I'm saying water wave, but I don't know if this is the actual water wave texture. But whatever wavy texture this is, I'm in love with it. It's not that super tight, typical curly bob that I would be used to. Now, mind you guys, I don't have any products on my hair either. I don't have have any curl creams or mousse or foam or anything like that. The only product that I used in my hair today was water. Anytime you guys see this silver bottle, it's water. I do get a lot of questions about this water bottle, and a subscriber of mine by the name of Kimberly bought this for me last year for my birthday. So shout out to her for buying this for me. I still have it. As you guys can see, I actually use it. She did order this for me from Amazon, so if you guys are interested in it, you can get it from Amazon. I'm not sure of the name of it, or go on Amazon and look up like mist water bottle or something like that, because the thing about this water bottle is it has like a misty kind of effect to it. You see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like a mist. It's not like squirting out straight water. So I love that about this water bottle. The only thing is, like, once you push this down, you have to wait for all the water to come out, if that makes sense. So like when I push this, I push it one time, but you see how it's still water coming out even though I'm not touching it? Whereas like your typical water bottle, you have to keep squirting it. Shout out to Westkiss for this amazing wig, like all the way down to the roots. My hair is so beautiful and I absolutely freaking love it. So if you are loving this wig just as much as I am, go ahead and check out the description box down below for a direct link to this wig. If you guys are interested in further details about this wig, as far as the length, the density, what wave pattern this actually is, all of that will be listed down below in the description box. If there's something that I didn't cover in today's video and you still have a couple more questions, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big shout out to Westkiss for sponsoring today's video, and a big shout out to all of you guys out there for watching. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.